Okay, so now we have to assign a task to AI. Okay, and before assigning a task, we will share some of the insights about our needs, that what we actually need. For example, in this demo, you must have observed, if we scroll up, you must have observed that AI is creating content of the entire landing page. It is creating the introduction section, proof of results, FAQ, call to action. It's creating everything. Okay, but do I need everything? That's where I'll ask myself. Okay, so let's say for the sake of this training, I only want AI to create headline and subheadline. Okay, I don't want it to create other sections. So that's my immediate need. Okay, so we will refine it further. Here is a prompt structure for that. Again, we will mention this: act as per your role and expertise. I need you to create only headline and subheadline in a framework style for this project. Okay, so this is where I'm setting my need. Okay, so can you see AI gave me a headline and a subheadline, but this is not the end of it. We are just getting started. Okay, so this is my need, but is it the task that I want to perform? So when I look from a perspective of a task, I would love if AI will give me, multiple headlines and subheadlines, and it will create some combinations around it so that I can pick and select the best ones which I like, right? So that is going to be my immediate task after this. Okay? So let's do this. I want you to create 3 sets of headlines and subheadlines. Okay, so this is where we are defining the task. As you can see, AI is creating 3 sets, but do you think this is the end of it? Don't you think we can refine it further? Don't you think you know how to do this? Is there any holy grail? How can we improve this further? Yes, there are methods. So that I'll show you in the next video.